Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can set multiple take profit levels on Bybit. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to simply open up your Bybit app or simply access it through your browser as well. Make sure you're signed in, and now you will be in this kind of interface, right? So first thing, you have to make sure that you have a trade simply there for the sale. First of all, once you have added yourself a sale, then you're going to go to the positions section where you're going to find your trade, and then over here you're going to find this option of trailing stops, set TP and SL, and close by as highlighted. All you gotta do is tap on this close by option, and now from this interface switch to limit. Once you switch into limit, now go ahead, enter your entry price. Your market price is shown right over here. Now you have to add in the close price. Write down what you think is good for your close price. Once you're done with that, go ahead, the quantity will convert on its own, which will depend on the percentage. Now first level of your profit, you can choose the 10% given right over here. So by this percentage is the level of profits that you can get, which includes 1 2 3 4 5. You can get the 5 levels for the profit on Bybit. Now go ahead, choose the 10% for now, and scroll down to the bottom and tap on this option of confirm afterwards. Your first level will be done, and now go back, and when you tap on this order, you will see your first order placed. And again, for the next, as I mentioned, you can do 5 levels including 100%. To go to 100%, you can tap on close by again. Go ahead, enter your closing amount again by switching to limit, and then choose another percentage that you would like to create your profit level for. That's how you will be able to create multiple levels of profit on Bybit, and that is it. So hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.